What's up guys, today is the day I'm going to assemble it, so it's ready to put it on. So now I'm going to bring it on and just clean it inside here too. So then bring it in and then let's assemble it. So everything is ready except the brakes. Caliper is not ready. Now let me put this one both sides. Let us do it. You don't know which one's left or right because of the steering column. Which one? Oh, it's heavy. So there's a mark over here. We're going to put it over here, the smoother spot. Put this one in. So here it is. The torque spec they'll give you inside the box. Lower ball joint will torque it by 47 Nm if you want, or 35 foot-pound, and the upper ball joint will be 94 Nm or 70 foot-pound, and then for the lower one it is 190 or 270 Nm. So we're going to split this one if you want to do that. For the torque, for the foot-pound, it is 140 and there's or and 160. So you'll choose your choice, which one. So I'll put it that one. So let me adjust my torque wrench. First of all, you don't need to use the torque wrench, so I'm bringing some other tools to do that job. Just put it on. One. Oh, the nut's different. Oops. I think this one's the OEM, and this one's not the same bolt. So this one doesn't fit for me. Okay, so there's different bolt size. So let me do this one first, I guess. It is 1/8, so okay, what size is we're going to torque it? The low is 35, so let's put 35 foot-pound. 35. Okay, this is where I put it. I don't think you can do that. So, first, you're going to do the lower one. It's already 05, so let's just do the upper one. 70. Okay, now we're doing the top one. Sorry, 70. Okay, let's do the 150. Let me do that. 150. Okay, 150 is in. So, there's torque. Now let's torque 150. The top one is only 35. I just want to say that it is. But I need to go a little bit because of the pin doesn't give in. Okay, let's put the pin. Okay guys, so I just cleaned it. Now let me send it. Okay, so I put this one in too. Guys, so now I'm going to put the hub bearing. So I'm going to replace new seal. They included in the kit. I'm going to put this one. Before that, I don't need to forget this one. This one goes now. So if you take a picture, you know how to put this one. So this one, the smooth one will be the bearing touch. This one goes like this. So it's in. Nice simple. So now let me change the seal. Everything's in. So let me bring some oil and put it over here to get it smoothly. So I got new one protection. I got both of them. One of the passenger side, I think doesn't have before. Now I'm going to put a new one. Driver side, it was so gone. So now I'm going to put it in. Before I go to put it in, let me check my pictures. Alright, let's put it on. It will be heavier, definitely. At least you can see it. So let me put the bolts and then I'm going to put it. It is 21. So I'm just started pulling in. So I'll torque it if the torque wrench over here get in. I don't know the torque place right now. So I'll do that after I put all the bolts in. Okay. Only except the hub bearings not new. So they already put it for you. So just put it on. If you didn't buy a new one. So I'll put grease over there first of all. If you didn't buy a new one. So I got my expansion tool and let's put it on. So this seal is old, so I'm going to change it. Where is it? I think water can get it. Everything is clear. So this ring, I'm going to put it on. A little bit cleaning it. I think the grease can come out because of that seal. On the side, all done. Only the brakes left. If I use a tool, it'll be easier. Just struggling. That in. So let me do that side. Repeat time next on that side. Okay guys, so it was spinning the bolt with was not holder down here, so I put jack to make it holder. So now I will screw it. It will screw it. So if you're spinning the only the ball joint, not the ball joint inside it, the screw, you need to jack it out and hold it. After that, the bolt can hold it. So that's my update. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, so I found the Newton meters and the torque for the hub, one bearing hub. So it is 180 Newton meter if you want to do that, or it is 133 foot-pound. So I'm using 133 foot-pound. I just finished that side, now just this side. I need to put it more, that's why I'm hitting it. Wow, it's so strong. Okay. All right, all done. Oh.